In hotels and restaurants, various types of knives are used for different purposes to facilitate food preparation and presentation. Here are some common types of knives found in professional kitchen environments. 1. Chef's knife. This versatile, all-purpose knife has a broad blade typically ranging from 6 to 12 inches long. It's used for chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing a wide variety of ingredients. 2. Paring knife. A small knife with a short blade, usually 2 to 4 inches long. It's used for intricate cutting tasks such as peeling, trimming, and slicing small fruits and vegetables. 3. Utility knife. This knife falls between a chef's knife and a paring knife in size, typically around 4 to 7 inches long. It's suitable for various cutting tasks that require a bit more precision and control than a chef's knife. 4. Bread knife. A serrated knife with a long blade, usually around 8 to 10 inches long. It's designed to slice through bread without crushing or tearing the loaf's soft interior. 5. Slicing knife. Also known as a carving knife, it has a long, thin blade, usually around 8 to 14 inches long. It's used for slicing cooked meats, poultry, and fish into thin, even slices. 6. Filleting knife. Similar to a boning knife but thinner and more flexible, with a blade typically around 6 to 9 inches long. It's specifically designed for filleting fish by removing bones and skin while preserving the flesh. 7. Cleaver. A large, heavy knife with a thick blade, usually around 6 to 12 inches long. It's used for chopping through bones and tough cuts of meat, as well as for crushing garlic and ginger. 8. Steak knife. A serrated knife with a pointed tip, used primarily at the table for cutting cooked meats, especially steaks. 9. Cheese knife. A knife designed specifically for cutting various types of cheese. It may have a variety of blade shapes and sizes, each suited for different cheese textures. 10. Garnishing knife. These knives have specialized shapes for creating decorative cuts and shapes in fruits and vegetables, enhancing the presentation of dishes. These are just a few examples, and there are many other specialized knives used in professional kitchens depending on the cuisine and specific culinary tasks. Each knife has its unique design and purpose, contributing to the efficiency and precision of food preparation in hotels and restaurants.